Get ready to turn heads and spark conversations. The vivo V60 5G just got a bold new makeover in berry purple, a color that screams style and individuality. But here's where it gets exciting. This isn't just a pretty face. Vivo has masterfully blended its signature innovation with a vibrant, youthful energy, creating a smartphone that's as unique as you are. Building on the success of the V60, this new edition retains all the features that made the original a standout. But this is the part most people miss. The berry purple variant isn't just about looks. It's a celebration of creativity, designed to inspire and empower users to express themselves. Co-engineered with ZEISS, the V60 continues to push the boundaries of portrait photography, offering professional-grade imaging that rivals dedicated cameras. Here's the controversial bit. In a market saturated with generic designs, Vivo dares to be different. The berry purple V60 is a statement piece, a fusion of elegance and playfulness that challenges the status quo. And with Vivo's partnership with Atif Aslam as the V series ambassador, the brand reinforces its commitment to artistic expression and innovation. Under the hood, the V60 is a powerhouse. It boasts a 50MP ZEISS Super Telephoto camera, a 50MP ZEISS OIS main camera, and a 50MP ZEISS Group Selfie camera, all adhering to ZEISS optical standards. With 5 versatile focal lengths, 23mm to 100mm, and advanced features like AI 4-season portrait and Aura Light Portrait, capturing lifelike, emotional portraits has never been easier. And this is where it gets even better. The V60 also supports ultra-clear 4K video recording on both front and rear cameras, giving users unparalleled creative freedom. The berry purple finish isn't just a color, it's an experience. It complements the V60's equal-depth quad curved screen, offering an immersive viewing experience with ultra-slim bezels and graceful curvature on all 4 sides. The gradient tones add a layer of sophistication, while the playful twist appeals to those who value both performance and personality. Now let's talk durability. The V60 is built to last. Featuring diamond shield glass, IP68 and IP69 dust and water resistance, and innovative one-tap water ejection and dust removal features, it's designed to withstand the rigors of daily use. And with a massive 6,500 mAh Bluevolt battery supporting 90W FlashCharge, you're guaranteed all-day power and extended battery health. The Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chipset, 12GB plus 12GB extended RAM, and ultra-large VC smart cooling system ensure smooth performance, whether you're gaming, capturing photos, or multitasking. The vivo V60 berry purple will be available across Pakistan in 12GB plus 256GB and 12GB plus 512GB variants, priced at 149,999 rupees and 159,999 rupees respectively. It comes with a 1-year warranty, 15-day free replacement, and 6-month accessory warranty, and is PDA approved for use with all mobile networks. Zong 4G users can enjoy an additional perk, 12GB of free mobile internet, 2GB per month for 6 months, by inserting their SIM card into slot 1. Here's the question we leave you with. In a world where smartphones often blend into the background, does the vivo V60 berry purple have what it takes to stand out as a true icon of style and innovation? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. For more details, visit the official product page, https://www.vivo.com/pk/products/V60.